Hey you, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you the healthy grocery shopping at Costco, what I got, and how you can start implementing these foods into your healthy, balanced lifestyle. Alright, first things first, I want to go ahead and get you to smash that subscribe button, stay tuned with my channel, and go ahead and click that notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content. I've been MIA for a little bit of time now because for the past couple of years, I've been working on my cover model body program. It's going to be huge, it's going to be epic, and for real, it's coming out this year in January. I got set back and a lot of things happened, but I got my new videographer, we're rolling, we're getting it going, and so in the meantime, I want to make sure that I keep you updated on how to live your best healthy life with food, because it all starts with nutrition. So let's get into it. Alright, first things first is these salad bag cakes. These are a lifesaver because it's simple. Alright, so what I do is I just take out these dressings and the condiments in there, and I just use a salad. And I'm going to use some healthy condiments with it. So you can have a protein on there, add a little bit of avocado, some healthy oil, extra virgin olive oil, grapeseed oil. You can even use a little bit of balsamic vinegar, and it makes for a quick and easy lunch. When it comes to fruits, any time of the day, low glycemic is best, so a go-to snack, just doing an apple. Sometimes I'll have an apple after a workout. Also, I may do a banana. Now this is a little bit more higher glycemic, so I generally like to stick to these post-workout. I don't do a ton of processed foods, but I do them before a workout. That's when you're going to want your sodium. So I get my workouts in the morning. I'll have these chicken apple sausages for breakfast with eggs. Or sometimes I might do these and mix them in, or I may even have them for lunch too. You gotta have your veggies, and my go-to items right now, I'll utilize green beans and cauliflower. I'll cook these in a little bit of coconut oil, or I'll bake them in the pan, have them with a lean protein, a little bit of fat such as avocado, maybe I'll have some almonds, and it makes for a great fat and protein meal. Strawberries and blueberries, I'll either add these to my oatmeal, I'll have these as a snack, I might even get a little bit of a skinny whipped cream or something like that, dip these in there. Very low glycemic, a cup of these is very low in sugars and it doesn't have a ton of carbs, and it'll keep you satisfied. Peppers are awesome. I use these in my salads because they help fill me up. So I'll get one of these, I'll chop it in half, peel out the insides, add it to the salad. It's simple. Frozen fruits, always a great option. This is always my go-to for my protein shakes. I'll get a cup of this, vanilla and sweetened almond milk. I'll throw a banana in there, use it with my grass-fed chocolate whey protein, and it makes for a delicious post-workout snack. As you can see here, I got a ton of egg whites. We got the cage-free eggs. So I'm going to utilize one whole egg, generally for about every 5 or 6 whites. When I'm measuring out my egg whites, about 230 grams or so. It's about 25 grams of protein-ish. So this is a really great way to get in a good bit of protein in the morning without having to throw away the yolks. Steak and bacon, great sources of protein. The bacon, I'm doing it first thing in the morning with my eggs. Sometimes I have it with a little bit of the Dave's Killer bread. I'll make a little sandwich. That sodium gives me a good pump. It's got a little bit of fat in there, and it's not the end of the world, but it gives me a little bit of flavor, and it keeps me going in the gym. And then I got the steak. I'll use this in some of the Dale's seasoning. As you can see right here, low sodium. Maybe not all the craziest, healthiest ingredients, but you know, you want to have a little bit of flavor in your food. Like I say, when it comes to food, it's flavor, simplicity, and variety. So you want things that are quick and easy, and if I marinate this for about 30 minutes to an hour, cook it on the grill, it's delicious. First time getting these are the keto salmon fillets. Got this at Costco. Also, I have some wild salmon. I'll mix this with a little bit of mayo. I'll have this over the top of my salad, or I may use this on a salad too. Cook it up with some veggies. I may even add a little bit of rice to it and make a nice carb and protein meal. Just a little bit of variety, and it'll really save the day when you're looking for some fish. Lastly, we've got the organic chicken. This is something that I'll start boiling. Right now I'm in the mood to just boil chicken, and I'll add a little bit of that low sugar barbecue sauce. It really gets a lot of the fat out of there when you boil it. And you can also grill it. I'll marinate a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, put some cracked peppercorn on there. Just another good protein option. And of course, we've got some coffee. I've usually been doing the Dunkin', but trying to do something a little bit different, organic. When it comes to coffee, a lot of times the most pesticides are going to be in the coffee, believe it or not. So utilizing an organic coffee bean is just going to try and clean up the nutrition just a little bit further. thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, I'm going to have an awesome program coming out soon, so please stay in tune with my content, share this video, and please go ahead and like it. It's really going to help out the YouTube algorithm, and it's going to help get this content out to other people. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.